Good morning, students. Welcome to the last part, video number 3 of Solving Mathematics B, paper 1, 4MBO/01 of Pearson Edexcel International GCSE of May 2016. In my last two videos, I have solved up to 22. So today I'm going to solve from 23. Okay. Now, quadrilateral A, see that four sides, A is transformed to a quadrilateral B by an anti-clockwise rotation about the origin, okay, and then by a translation. Write down the angle of rotation, okay. So let's see. Through this, if I go 90 degree, it does look like this one, okay. See that it has a negative gradient, this side, okay. It's falling from right to left. So we go back again, see, falling from left to right, right to left. So negative gradient, positive gradient, what I'm saying, okay, this is positive gradient. From left to right is going up, so it's positive gradient. This one negative gradient. So positive gradient, negative gradient. So if I go like that, it's 90 degree anti-clockwise rotation. So it says angle of rotation, so 90 degree anti-clockwise. Okay, so that's that. Find the 2 by 2 matrix which represent this rotation. Okay, so whenever we are doing 90 degree anti-clockwise rotation, you need to know this 2 by 2 matrix. And if you cannot memorize that, I have a tips and tricks videos on this one. I hope you like that. Watch that one. It's going to be very easy. You don't need to be confused on this thing. You just memorize a few things. It's like a mnemonic, okay, and you're going to remember everything. And this one is going to be, this trick is given, okay. For 90 degree anti-clockwise, you take this unit point, this one, coordinates over here. It's 0, 1, and this side is -1, 0. So this 2 by 2 matrix would be from here to here, 0, 1, -1, 0. Okay, it's that simple. Okay, I really hope you're gonna see this one, okay, after this video, and you'll thank me later on. Okay, please thank me later on. Okay, if you find it very interesting. Okay, find the column vector which represent the translation. To find out the transformation, the translation vector, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to rotate that. If I rotate that, it's -1, then 2 up, -1, then 2 up, this particular point, -1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So -1, 2, 4, 5 up. Then this one is -1, 2, 3, 2 up, -3, 2 up, and then -4, -3. So -4 plus 3, and then that's it. So if I join it like this, I'm very lazy to use the scale over here. Okay, so that's that. And then it's slided down. Take any point. Okay, let's take this particular point. Now this particular point is actually coming from here to here. See that? From here to here. So over here is -1, and over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6. So this vector is gonna be -1, -6. That's 2 by 1 column matrix, and we call that translation vector. So -1, -6. Okay, that's the column vector for representing the translation. Okay, so that's that. Now we are at question number 24. Given that for all values of x, these are equal, this and this, they are congruent, where k is a constant, show that k equal to 5. Okay, fine. So what I'm going to do, 6x to the power 3 minus 19x squared minus 26x plus 24. Then we have this equal sign in between. If I multiply that, 6x squared times x is 6x cubed. And then 6x squared minus 4, so 4 6 are 24x squared. Then this with this is going to be plus kx squared, and this with this minus 4kx, and this is going to be minus 6x minus plus 24. So 6x cubed, there is no more terms with x cubed, but this too has x squared. They are like terms. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take minus x squared common. So I'm going to have 24 if I take minus outside, so it's going to be minus k, and these are like terms. So if I take x common minus x common, then I'm going to have here 4k plus 6, and then of course I have this 24 right here. So when I equate the coefficient, I can write down, I need to find out the value of k. So this and this, okay, if I take the coefficient of x squared, so minus 19 equal to minus 24 minus k. So minus minus cross out, so k is gonna be this side, k equal to, see, minus minus cross out, so 24, and this is gonna be minus 19, so 19, that's gonna be 5, k equal to 5, and it says show that, so you're gonna write down showed. Now you might think that if I take the coefficient of x, is it gonna be working? Let's see. We already have finished the math, but to just check it out, let's see, minus 26, and over here is going to be minus 4k plus 6. Okay, so this minus minus cross out, so when this 6 comes over here, 20 minus 6 26 minus 6 is 20, equal to 4k. So this cross out 5, so it doesn't matter if you go this way or that way, it's always going to show you the same thing. See that k equal to 5. Now hence factorize this completely. Okay, so 6 x cubed minus 19x squared minus 26x plus 24. Now when you have this, see, does this part equal to this times x minus 4. So x minus 4 is a factor. Okay, you can take x minus 4 from here, from b. There are so many different ways you can do that. You can use synthetic division method, you can use the long division method, or you can use the vanishing method. Right now I'm going to use the vanishing method. What is that? I'm going to skip one line. Okay, skip this line, and actually I'm going to simultaneously solve this. See, this factor I had x minus 4, this factor, this times this equal to that. So I'm going to write down x minus 4 over here. Just pay a little more attention. What I need to multiply here, so that what do I need to put over here? So this and this multiply and get 6x squared. So x cubed. So I have x, so definitely I need x squared. So this 2 multiplies and gets 6. That gets x to the power 3, missing 6. So 6 is over here. So these two, all I'm worried about the first one. So these two multiply, I got 6x cubed. And plus minus minus, 6 4s are 24 x squared. Now this one match with that. Now look at this. I should write down, I should have written down minus 19x squared, but I wrote down minus 24x squared. So I actually wrote 5 more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this 5x. So that's going to be, when I multiply that, 5x squared. You can check that this 2 actually goes to that. Now this plus minus minus is 20x. Again, I'm going to take x minus 4. I supposed to have minus 26. I have only minus 20. So I'm short of 6. So I need to add that. So minus 6. So plus minus minus 6x. Now you can see that this 2 equals to that. And the last one automatically gonna be equal to this one. So that's done. Now from this 3, I can take x minus 4 common. Then this is gonna be 6x squared plus 5x minus 6. Now we can use, for this, use calculator, or you can use calculator, or you can use the middle term break or formulas to find this one out. Okay, so that one is gonna be 6 5 minus 6. Okay, so I have x minus 4, that's the first one, and then I have x equal to 2 by 3. So I'm gonna write down this one in this format. See that this is gonna be 3x equal to 2, so 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So another factor is 3x minus 2, and then another one is let me write down here, minus 3 by 2, x equal to that. So 2x equal to minus 3. So 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so that's that. Now factorize. So not equal to 0, it's factorized. Then if I put 0, then it's solving. So that's factorize this thing completely. Okay, so I have x minus 4, 3x minus 2, 2x plus, this is 3. Okay, so that's done. Now we're gonna go for next one. This is a sector. The diagram shows a piece of card in the shape of a sector OABC of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. See that go all the way, it becomes a circle with a radius 14 centimeter, and center O, the arc ABC subtended an angle 120 over here. Calculate the length in significant ABC. So ABC, so length ABC. Okay, so length ABC, we know this formula, theta, let me write down that, length equal to theta, that's arc length, theta by 360 times 2 pi r. So theta over here 120, and then 360 times 2 pi r is 14. Okay, this cross out, this is 3, so it's gonna be 28 by 3 pi. So 28, clear that. So 28 pi divided by 3, I'm gonna get approximately 29.3, it was centimeter, so I'm gonna put centimeter over here. Now a hollow right circular cone is formed by joining OA and OC. See that OA, OC, if I fold it, then this is gonna be making a circle, and this thing gonna be a slant height, and it's gonna be a cone. So that's what they're saying. Calculate in centimeter to 3 significant figures the radius of the cone. So let me just draw this one. If I join OA, okay, this is O, that corner. So let's say this is gonna be A, and this side little bit is gonna be C. If I join that, O and C coincide, so it's gonna be a circle over here. Now this circumference equal to length of ABC. I hope you can see that, this arc length ABC. So when I fold that, this is gonna be making that, when I fold this is gonna be this part over here. Now this over here, there is another radius. Okay, now we have to find out this radius. So according to the question, this circumference equal to arc length ABC. So circumference is 2 pi, this r over here, I didn't put, I put r over, okay, I showed the formula, so I didn't put r anywhere. If I put r over here, then I would have put r2 over here, because this r and this r is completely different. This r over here for this bigger circle, and this r over here is small circle. And this one is 29.3. Okay, or I can take this one even better. Don't take this. I have 28 by 3 pi. So this pi cross out, this cross out, 14. So it's going to be 14 by 3. Okay, so 14 by 3 centimeter, 14 by 3. So it's going to be actually approximately equal to 4.67, correct to the 3 significant figures that. Okay, but for the next calculation, I'm going to use this ones. Okay, the height of the cone. So this is the height. Now I hope you understand that when I join that, remember it was OA, that's the large circle's radius was 14 centimeter. That's slant height over here is 14 centimeter. So I have 14, I have r is that. So what is this height? Now Pythagoras theorem, this is right angle. So Pythagoras theorem is h equal to, they are saying height. Now the hypo square minus that one was 14 by 3 square. So what we got? 14 square minus bracket 14 divided by 3 square. I got that. Now square root of that, I got, I'm going to write down this one for you, that with 3, but I'm going to press that one. And I got approximately equal to 13.2 centimeter. And that's my answer. Okay, over here this is answer is space, so I'm going to put 13.2 centimeter. That's the final answer. Now we're going to go for question number 26. It's probability with tree diagram. So this one is says the probability that it rains on any morning in the town of, oh, I cannot pronounce that, Loviendo is 1 by 3 raining. If it's raining, then not raining would be 2 by 3. Why? To happening something, an event A, and not to happening that event A equal to 1. So raining and not raining, 1 minus that is going to be not raining. Okay, so that's that. If it's raining in the morning, the probability, if it's raining, the probability that Maria goes for a run is P. This is P. Okay, so what is this gonna be? Now, probability of run minus probability of not run equal to 1. So, sorry, plus. Okay, so I need not running. So probability of not running is gonna be 1 minus probability of that. That's gonna be P. So that's gonna be 1 minus P. Okay, if it's not raining, this part over here, the probability that Maria goes for a run is 4 by 5. So this is 4 by 5. This is easy. So 1 minus 4 by 5, that's going to be 1 by 5. You always can check that sum of these two has to be 1. Sum of these two has to be 1. Sum of these two has to be 1. And we are okay. And that's 3 marks. Look at this. Okay, complete the probability diagram and it's 3 marks. Now, the probability that Maria goes for a run on any morning is that, regardless raining or not. Okay, if it's raining or not, it doesn't matter. She is going for a run. Okay, that's the probability that Maria goes for a run on any morning is that. Using your tree diagrams and the information from the equation in P. Okay, and this information form an equation to P. So what happened? This is run. Okay, she's running at the end, raining and running. So I can go that way. And this is not running, so we don't want that. Not raining and run, we want this. Okay, so either this event or this event. So or means and let me write down, and means multiply and or means addition. So raining, that's raining and running. Okay, running, or not raining and running. Okay, so raining is 1 by 3 and running is P, plus not raining 2 by 3 what did I do times run, so 4 by 5, and that equals to this 3760. So 3760, 37 by 60. Okay, so that's that. So I need to simplify this. To do that, it's 37 by 60 equal to, this is P by 3, and that's gonna be 15 by 8 by 15. Okay, so LCM, let's say 37 by 60. LCM over here is 15, so 5p plus 8. So if I cross this one out, it's gonna be 4. I'm gonna continue from here. So 37 by 4 equal to 5p plus 8. Okay, so if I bring this 8 over here, so I can write down 5p equal to 37 by 4 minus 8, and this gonna give me 37 by 4 minus 8. This is gonna give me 5 by 4. So if I take 5 that side, 5 by 4 times 5, this cross out, so 1 by 4. Therefore P equal to 1 by 4. That's my final answer. Okay, oops, sorry, I needed to, okay, this P is over here. I think I have finished all of this. Okay, this is the equation I needed to show. Equation, so this equation is done over here, and then final answer P equal to 1 by 4 should be here. That part should be over here. So from all this part, it should come over here. But it's all right. If you continue this and you can just put the arrow, they would understand. Okay. Now, next one, question number 27. ABCD is a circle. The chords AC and DB intersect at right angle at E, so right angle. So they are perpendicular. F is such that AECF is a straight line and FD is a tangent. It's a tangent, okay, to the circle at D. This is 2.5, this is square root 35, this is that. Calculate the length of EF. Where is EF? This whole thing EF, okay. Now, if this is a right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse. So that's Pythagoras theorem. We can do that. EF equal to square root this square plus this minus this square, right? So square root 135 whole square minus square root 35 whole square. So that's this cross out, that's this cross out. So 135 minus 35, that's gonna give me 100. That means 10 centimeter. EF equal to 10 centimeter. So I can write down 10 centimeter. The space is given. Show that AE equal to 8 centimeter. Now I hope you know this formula. If it goes like this, and then it's A, B, X and C tangent, then AX is to BX equal to CX square. So that's what I'm gonna do. So over here, AC, AX is gonna be AF, right? AF into CF into CF equal to DF square. Okay. Now AF, what is that? AF is going to be, okay, AF is going to be, look at this AF. Now we did prove that EF is 10. So we can write down AF is AE plus 10. So instead of AF, we're going to write down AE plus 10. And we need to show AE equal to 8, this part. And CF, this CF, now this is 10. Now CF is going to be 10 minus 2.5. I hope you can see that. This C to F, E to F is 10. That's what we find out, 10. And if we subtract this, then we have CF. So that's going to be 10 minus EF, right? 10 minus 2.5, and DF was 135 whole square. So just this square and square root cross out. So I'm having here AE plus 10, and this is going to be 10 minus that is going to be 7.5, but you can always check that. Okay, in the exam it's better to check all the time. Then it's 135. So AE plus 10 is going to be 135 divided by 7.5. 135 divided by 7.5. I got here 18. Therefore, AE equal to 18 minus 10 equal to 8. So this is to show AE equal to 8. We did show AE equal to 8. So it's showed or shown. Okay. So that's done. Now we are coming to this one. Calculate the length in 3 significant figures of EB. EB. Now, when I have these two chords, okay, I'm gonna write down another formula. Okay, I think you know that it's A, B, C, D, and if it's two chords intersect inside the circle at X, then the formula is AX into BX or XB, doesn't matter, equal to CX into XD. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. This formula, see that? Forget about this. This into this equal to this into this. So if I do that, over here AE into EC equal to DE into EB. Okay, we have to find out EB, this part. Now AE, we already find it out, AE equal to 8 in the last thing, AE equal to 8. So in the place of AE, you're gonna put 8. And EC, we can see that it's 2.5. Okay, you can put multiply sign. What about DE? DE is given square root 35 equal to square root 35. So what is EB? Okay, I think I arranged that. So EB equal to 8 times 2.5 square root 35. So I can use the calculator. 8 times 2.5 divided by square root 35. I got the answer approximately equal to 3.38 centimeter. Okay, that's that. I have one more. Yeah, nothing more. Okay, last one, 28. ABC is a triangle. D is a point on AC. D is a point on AC such that BD is perpendicular to that. AB equal to 4D. And these two angles are given. Calculate the area in centimeter of triangle ABC. ABC. So to triangle area of the triangle, easiest way we can do half base into height. Okay. So to get this height, I'm gonna go this way. In triangle ABD, then I need to find out that. So adjacent over hypo. So cos 62 equal to BD over 40. Therefore, BD equal to 40 cos 62 degree. I'm just gonna get this one. 40 times cos 62 degree. I got approximately 18.7789. I'm going to keep 4 decimal places since this is not my final answer. Okay. And see that I got this part. I need to find out this part too. I can use Pythagoras Theorem or I can use sine rule. Okay. I think I'm going to go for Pythagoras Theorem because since I used that one. AD equal to square root 40 square minus this one. 18.7789 square. Okay, and that's gonna be 40 square minus answer square, then square root. It should be 35.3179. Okay, so I got that. Now I got AD. Now I have to find out DC. Let me write down this 35.3179. This is AD, and this BD is gonna be 18.7789. You can see that I already got the height. I got part of this. Now I need to find out this one. So in triangle BCD, so oppo, this oppo over adjacent. So 1054 equal to 18.7789 divided by DC. Therefore, DC equal to this divided by that, 18.7789 divided by 1054, and that's gonna give me 18.7789 divided by 1054, and this is gonna be approximately equal to 13.6437. Okay, now area of the triangle ABC equal to half. Now base is gonna be 13.6437. So summation of these two base. So it's gonna be, that was here 33.3179. That's gonna be 48.9616 times height was 18.7789. So that's times 18.7789 divided by 2. I got 459.7, so 460 centimeter given, centimeter, so it's a area, that's square 460. Okay, so that's that. I hope you understand that. If you have any question, leave in the answer box. I'll get back to you. Thank you. Have a good day.